Good evening, team. Santosh Shetty here from Shetty Forex. As in our first video, we have learned how to add our Royal Q account with Binance and Hubei with our API and IP binding. Okay. One thing I missed to tell you that in Binance or in Hubei, it's mandatory to verify your account. In Binance, it terms it says like intermediate verification. It's mandatory and it's compulsory only if you want to trade with Royal Q. After that only you can place a trade in uh, Binance. Okay. Otherwise, you don't put your money in Royal Q $100. First, you verify your account in Binance. After that, only you pay money in Royal Q. Okay. Coming back to our point, how to place an this or trade in Royal Q. Okay. Okay. So you will. Okay. I will refresh this one. Okay. You will go to quantitative. Okay, once you will refresh this, you can see your IPI has been connected. Additionally, you will get all pairs. Okay, and one more thing, uh, you this professional edition, you can see that, make it blue, make it enable, so whatever pair is there in your Binance account or in your Hubi account, so it will reflect over here with Royal Q also. So what we will do, go to quantitative and select some pairs. Okay, once you will select the pairs, it will be shown over here in your first home. Okay, like see, I have selected 5 pairs. So Matic, VChain is there, ADA is there, Dot is there, XRP is there. Okay, so once you will select this, you have to, suppose for an example, press Matic. Once you will press Matic, okay, uh, see, first buy is there, margin call is there, take profit is there, earning callback is there, margin call drop is there, buy in callback is there. What does it mean? It means that as from in my strategy, as I have told you, how $160, as I work in a two strategy. One is a basic one and second one is martingale kind of, okay, which is a very war kind of strategy is there. So in basic strategy, for one coin you required $160. Okay, so and it will start with $10 first buy. For this one, for an example, first buy is $10. Okay, you have selected Matic, first buy is $10. So suppose your trade goes in a minus. Okay, like it drops to like 3.5. So again, as per your strategy of 7 steps or 7 times, so it will buy one more time. So it might be a $10. If you have kept it 2 3 4, so as per your strategy, it will go to $20, $30 or $50. You can keep like margin call 7 times, 5 times, 6 times, it's your choice. And how much martingale you want to do, one time, 2 time, 3 time, you can do it. Okay, this is first buy, this is the margin call, how many steps you want to put in your strategy. Okay, what is take profit? Take profit 1.3 is that, suppose your, as it's been written 1.3, as your trade goes like at 1.3 and it keeps moving, like it, when it goes to like for an example 2%, so it will not close at 1.3, because we don't know whether it will go to 2%, 3%, 5% or 10%. So it will keep on moving, but once it will cross your 1.3, and when it will come to the earning callback, when it will come down from, for an example, your trade goes in a positive at 5% high. Okay, when it come to 4.7, again, as we all know that it hit resistance and come down. So when it comes to 4.7, so like 0.3, it will come down, so it will close your trade. Okay, as that's why it is, your take profit is 1.3 and earning callback is 0.3. Once it will cross 1.3 and it once, and if it comes 0.3 down, so it will close your trade in a profit. So that's a good benefit we are going to get from this boat. And fifth option is margin call drop. As I said, margin call limit is there 7 times. So when you are going to place your first trade after first call, means the second trade when you are going, when boat is going to trade. So as per your strategy, you says that uh, after my first buy, if that currency drops to like 3.5%, so both should buy one more time. It might be a one time, two time, three time, it depends upon your strategy. Getting my point? From your first buy amount of $10, it comes down to from your point of purchase, okay, current price, it comes down to 3.5%, again it will buy. Okay, hope you got this point. Okay, margin call drop. Okay, and it will buy till 7 time as per your strategy. And what is buy in callback? Buy in callback means, as sometimes we see some news comes, okay, suddenly market drops, and we see big and a huge candle, okay, but as per this 0.5, suppose market drops in a single candle, in a one flow it goes to like 10% or 10% for an example. So it will not place a trade over there at 10%, okay, or as per strategy it will not keep on placing a trade over there. What does it mean? When it directly goes to 10% down, and from there it will get some pullback, it will get some pullback of 0.5, means 9.5%. When it will come to 9.50%, at that time it will place a trade over here. Okay, so this 7 step strategy, this basic strategy is there, and in my strategy I try to get 1% to 2% every day. Okay, so in a simple way my strategy I have built, so easily we all can earn. So now very quickly I will wind up. See, this is my running trade is there, and all trades are in profit because I have very good strategy I have made. Okay, see, this is revenue. This was yesterday I have started, in evening I have started, and this is my today I have earned 5.65 till now. Okay, and one more good thing about this boat is that it never closes a trade in a negative. You can see no single red will be there, all will be in a green, it will be in a blue only, because it never closes a trade in negative. Okay, here this one yesterday's trade was there, it never closes a trade in negative. It depends upon you how much fund is there. Very quickly I will wind up by saying that as per my strategy of 7 coin, okay, and you can increase. For one coin you required $160. Again I will repeat again, for one coin you required $160. Okay, of first buy will be of $10. If first buy will be of $10, and for one coin is $160. If you are using $15 first buy, for $1 you, for one coin you require 240. Okay, $240. For first buy $20, for one coin you require $320. $20 first buy, for one coin you require $320. And my favorite, where I am planning to run my boat with first buy of $25 of, for one coin you require $400. So for 7 coin it required $2,008, $2,800. Getting my point? For one first buy $25, for it will be a $400 for one coin. For as per my strategy, for my own personal strategy, I will trade 7 coin, means I required $2,800. But when I will get $2,800, I will trade 9 to 10 coins. I will add more 2 to 3 coins, because the below, as per the below amount of in a strategy, very rarely it's been used. So I will utilize that money in trading another 2 to 3 coins. Hope you got it. In 2800, instead of 7 pairs, I will 7 coins, I will use 9 to 10 coins. See, all trades are mean. See here, it is showing 1.63. as it will come down like 30% or 0.3, it will 3.0, automatically it will close my trade in profit. See, all trade are in profit. See, this is my strategy. All trades are in my profit. Okay, so this is going to close now in a profit, this is going to close in profit, this is going to close in profit, this is also going to close in my profit. Matic, I have put $10, this one, and only one my dot is there, which is of $25. You can see here, of $25. Hope you got the point. Okay, thanks a lot, and please register yourself with my link which is been given at the below. Okay, thanks a lot then, thanks a lot.